In this video, you'll learn how to convert a Google Docs file into a PDF and export it in the correct format. Google Docs lets you save your document as a PDF using its built-in download options or an extension. Method 1. Using the built-in download option. Start by opening your Google Docs file. Go to the top menu, click File, hover over Download, then select PDF Document. This gives you a clean export using Google's converter. If your document has one tab, it downloads instantly. If your document has multiple tabs, a dialog appears. Choose Current tab or All tabs, then click Export. When your document contains multiple tabs, the export process adds each tab name as a separate page in the PDF. If you don't want those tab name pages, Method 2 is the better option. And if you're dealing with multiple documents or long projects, Method 2 can export several Google Docs as PDFs at once. Now let's see how to use the Docs to PDF Pro extension. You can find the extension link in the description. Once installed, go to Extensions, Docs to PDF Pro, convert Docs to PDF to launch it. The Docs to PDF Pro dialog opens. If you want the tab names included as separate pages in the PDF, check this box. This helps keep your PDF organized and makes it easier to identify the content of each tab. Next, choose which tabs you want to export. By default, all tabs will be included. If you want to export only specific tabs, select one or more tabs from the drop-down list. This speeds up the export process and ensures you include only the content you need. Then choose where to save the PDF. Download, Google Drive, or both. This sets the storage location. Click Convert Current Document to PDF. Docs to PDF Pro will save all your tabs into a single PDF file. Additional features. The extension also lets you batch export multiple documents or merge them into a single PDF, a big time saver for long projects. You can also send the PDF directly to a shared drive folder, keeping everything accessible for your team. That's how to convert any Google Docs file to a PDF using the built-in download option and the Docs to PDF Pro extension. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.